chapter 5, reading verse 1 up to verse 20. So this story happened right after of the story of the great storm in the Sea of Galilee. Okay? So a while ago when we are in the Sea of Galilee, we read the passage in Mark chapter 4, and now we will go to Mark chapter 5 verse 1 to 20. So allow me to read to you the passage, and then I'm going to describe to you the event that happened here in Percy. Now verse 1, and they came over unto the other side of the sea, into the country of the Gadarenes. So, as I said, originally or biblically speaking, the name of the place in the Bible times or in the time of the Lord Jesus Christ is Gadara. Alright? Gadara, the country of the Gadarenes. And when he was come out of the ship, immediately there met him out of the tombs a man with unclean spirit. Take note, there was a man here, and he was possessed by unclean spirit. So this man is living in the tombs over this mountain. Now listen more. And who had his dwelling among the tombs, and no man could bind him, no, not with chains. Could you imagine? This man, because he is possessed by demonic spirit, he was so strong. And kahit na igapos yung mga kapatid ng kadena, nalalagot o napipigtas yung kadena na yon. I don't know kung nakakita na kayo ng isang tao who was possessed by demonic spirit. But primarily, I have a personal encounter with someone who was possessed by demonic spirit, and believe me, that person has an extraordinary physical strength. Grabe. Kahit hawakan na siya ng 4 na tao o more than that, mga kapatid, talagang ang lakas pa rin niya. So this man is like that, mga kapatid. Okay? Why? Verse 4. Because that he had been often bound with fetters and chains, and the chains had been plucked asunder by him, and the fetters broken in pieces, neither could any man tame him. So walang makapigil sa lalaking ito. Why? Because of the demonic spirit that is living within his body. Now listen to this. And always night and day he was in the mountains and in the tombs, crying and cutting himself with the stones. So napaka-tragic ng kanyang kalagayan, ano? So could you imagine these mountains beside the Sea of Galilee?